This thing has no jaw, just a mouth full of spinning teeth that drills into flesh. It's called a lamprey, and it's not a leech, it's a jawless fish that's been around for 360 million years. That round mouth, it's packed with sharp teeth, and it suctions onto other fish like a horror movie parasite. Then it uses its tongue to rasp a hole into the skin and drink blood alive. Here's the worst part. Some species don't just attack fish. They've latched onto people. It's like a medieval torture device, but it swims,